Yes, ready. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, this bill seeks to provide a special machinery for the removal of grievances of certain categories of employees, particularly in the sectors of state and central government services, local bodies, and the like. Stop. This is being done under the powers given, and the parliament can make such a provision if they consider it necessary. Stop. The laudable objective behind this bill is to have expeditious disposal of the day-to-day grievances of the employees, particularly what is called service matters. Stop. Service matters is a term which includes a lot of grievances in respect of service conditions, starting from remuneration to promotion, transfer, leave, rules, and things like that. Stop. I welcome this aspect that this bill makes provision to include all aspects of service conditions and makes provision for an employee to go to an administrative tribunal for seeking justice. Stop. Para. The bill is welcome to the extent that it at least seeks to have an expeditious disposal of the grievances. Stop. But at the same time, we have to see how this is sought to be done. Stop. I would refer particularly to the composition of the tribunal, to which references have already been made. Stop. As has been pointed out by a member of previous speaker, this is a provision whereby not merely a person who is a high court judge or a supreme court judge serving or retired can be made a member, particularly chairman or vice chairman, but a person at the level of a secretary, additional secretary, joint secretary, or even a person holding a post with a scale of pay not less than that drawn by any one of them also could be made a member of this tribunal, and even a vice chairman and a chairman if the satisfies certain conditions. Stop. Here is my objection to the appointment of such a person, for obvious reason that he is the person who during the course of his service has also take certain action against the employees working under him. Stop. Therefore, if I may submit, he has a prejudicial mind already. As far as the employees are concerned, we are trying to provide an appeal or justice rendered to a person who is aggrieved, and he must feel that not merely justice is done, but that justice appears to be properly done, and unless that is ensured, it is no use having these provisions. Stop.